Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create low-fidelity wireframes in Figma. We'll start by understanding what low-fidelity wireframes are and why they are crucial for early-stage design. Then, we'll dive straight into Figma, exploring its fundamental tools. You'll learn how to quickly sketch out your initial user interface ideas, focusing on structure and flow rather than detailed aesthetics. This approach saves time and helps validate concepts efficiently. Now, let's get hands-on with Figma's essential tools. You'll discover how to use simple shapes, like rectangles and circles, to represent various UI components. We'll also cover effectively using text boxes to indicate content and labels, ensuring clarity in your designs. Grouping and organizing these elements will be key to maintaining a clean, structured layout, making your wireframes easy to understand and iterate upon. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button for more great content. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like we organize our Figma files. Check the description below for the product link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving forward, we'll focus on structuring your wireframes for optimal clarity and flexibility. Learn to create frames to clearly define different screens or sections of your application. We'll also explore how to leverage Figma's auto layout feature to manage spacing and alignment efficiently, saving you valuable time. This allows for quick iteration on your designs, helping you refine user flows and overall layouts with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.